much I got?
Oh, 4 feet.
That'd probably do it. Well, there's some turds right there.
Yeah. This should be enough, huh?
Yeah.
You want it to be under the ball?
Yeah, that might help lift her up. Got enough?
Yep.
Yep. Okay. All right. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Might have to turn her on.
Stop it out.
All right, cool.
What you want?
All right.
And open the bed.
Yep. Okie doke.
You need that black container?
Yeah. No. Shit.
Broke.
Oh no, never mind. It's all mud.
So now you need it?
Yeah. Nope, it's all mud. Grab the adjustable while you're there. Sweet, thank you. Alrighty. So we're gonna need to figure this out. Alright, so I need I think I just threw that whole thing in today. I think we'd have been all right anyway, but still, it's nice. I couldn't find that other bag I usually have in here, the little Milwaukee set. So I was just like, fuck it, we'll throw the whole thing in. Alright, there's... There we go. Yeah, I thought it broke the mount at first.
I'm glad it didn't.
Yeah. But it was just buried under mud. Okay, we are going to need a new one of those though, but it'll get us home. We lost the little bushing inside of it. But should be able to pick that up at Napa, or at least a reasonable facsimile. All right. Okay, so. Oh, you know what? These shocks are set to soft too. Probably why it sags so much with that water.
Huh.
Yeah. It shouldn't sag as much of that. I mean, sure it was toward the max end of its load capacity, but anywho. All right. You go down. You go. Let's see here. What if... I mean, they're not set to all the way soft, but they're like one notch from it.
Huh.
There's 5 notches on them.
Maybe it's a better ride that way?
Yeah, just softer.
Yeah.
Probably 14, I bet. Nope. And of course, 15. The socket that's missing. Of course. I'm sure there's... It's ought to do it, right? Yeah. Whew. No, I'm honestly fighting more with the camera at the moment than anything. There, stay. Jesus. I was just trying to set it on the tire so I could get a shot of this. I figured it'd make for good content, as the kids say these days. Little trail side repair.
Boost fix.
What's that?
I said a boost fix.
Yeah, Yep, there you go. Whoops. Come here, you. Alrighty. Okie dokie, we're all good.
You're all right then. It took so long.
Like I said, I had to fuck with the camera. Oh, yeah. Nice quick little bush fix. All right. Oh, shit. Is that the damn bearing? I think it might be the damn bearing.
That rubber thing just pops right off. Yeah.
That's the tool. Get the tools, we got the talent.
Shut up.
Bringing back bad memories.
Yes. I'm gonna go home and have fucking nightmares.
Come the frick on. There you go. Jesus. Yeah, it just covers the nut. But yeah, whole thing's shaking. I think it's the damn bearing. Seriously.
Oh. That one's good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to check the other side right quick? I'm going to go ahead and put the bed down though.
This one too?
Jesus Christ.
That one seems good.
Some fucking... What? Not even 100 miles old? Can't even be?
Even if it was a couple of 100 miles.
I'm just saying, you know, it's... And not a lot of trail riding either.
No.
We're talking about up and down the road to the house.
Think about this. These two had the fucking tracks on them.
Yeah. No, I already did, but... Well, they're also the cheap bearing too. Remember I got cheap ones?
Yeah, but still, I mean...
I got the one good set and the one cheap set.
Should last longer than that.
Right.
Even if they are cheap. Should be able to get a season out of them.
I wonder if I can get the warranty for the other ones with those. Yeah, they'll probably want the bearings. They'd notice it wasn't theirs. Like, this is some cheap Chinese shit, sir. Come on. Yeah. The fuck? No matter what the fuck? I guess we're done with you. we can listen to some tunes on the way back. All right, I guess that's that.
Put the chain down.
Yep. I really want to replace that with rope.
You'll have to pull ahead.
Oh, okay. Yep. Good. Hold on. All right. Oh. Alrighty.